How Mark transformed his life. After 3270 powerful habits that changed everything. There was once a man named Mark Evans, a 32-year-old tech worker who had everything: money, a job, and comfort, except one thing: health. He was always tired, had back pain, high stress, poor sleep, and no energy. One day, his doctor said, "Mark, if you don't change your lifestyle now, your body will give up before your dreams do." That line hit him hard. That night, he looked in the mirror and whispered, "It's time to rebuild myself." And that's where his journey began. A promise to become his best self again. Mark's 70 life and health transforming tips. 1. Decide today, not tomorrow. 2. Believe that discipline beats motivation. 3. Set small goals, win daily. 4. Don't compare your journey to others. 5. Read something inspiring every morning. 6. Forgive yourself for the past. 7. Gratitude heals stress. Write 3 things daily. 8. Stay patient. Progress is invisible at first. 9. Visualize your healthiest version every night. 10. Remember, your body is your lifelong home. 11. Walk 10,000 steps daily. 12. Start with bodyweight workouts, push-ups, squats, planks. 13. Stretch every morning and before bed. 14. Focus on form, not just reps. 15. Lift weights, strength builds confidence. 16. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. 17. Sit less, move more. 18. Don't skip warm-ups or cool-downs. 19. Do one outdoor activity weekly: hike, bike, or swim. 20. Get sunlight for 15 minutes daily. 21. Don't train to punish your body, train to celebrate it. 22. Consistency beats intensity. 23. Track your progress weekly. 24. Sleep is the secret muscle builder. 25. Never stop moving. Motion is medicine. 26. Drink 8-10 glasses of water daily. 27. Cut sugar by half, then cut more. 28. Eat more real food, less from boxes. 29. Add greens to every meal. 30. Eat fruits every day. 31. Stop eating when you're 80% full. 32. Avoid eating after 9 p.m. 33. Learn healthy recipes. Cooking is self-care. 34. Limit processed snacks. 35. Include good fats, nuts, olive oil, avocado. 37. Eat slowly. Enjoy your food. 37. Replace soda with lemon water. 38. Green tea is greater than energy drinks. 39. Have a cheat meal, not a cheat week. 40. Balance, not restriction. 41. Sleep 7-8 hours, no excuses. 42. Keep your phone away before bed. 43. Create a peaceful sleep environment. 44. Listen to calm music before sleeping. 45. Take naps if your body asks for it. 46. Avoid caffeine after 4 p.m. 47. Stretch before bed. 48. Never underestimate a good rest day. 49. Manage your stress like you manage your time. 50. Rest is part of progress. 51. Meditate 10 minutes daily. 52. Avoid toxic people, protect your peace. 53. Journal your feelings weekly. 54. Learn to say no without guilt. 55. Laugh often, it's free therapy. 56. Spend time with positive people. 57. Watch the sunrise once a week. 58. Help someone without expecting anything. 59. Take digital breaks. 60. Keep your environment clean. It clears the mind. 61. Travel to new places, change perspective. 62. Learn something new every month. 63. Keep your mornings quiet and focused. 64. Avoid multitasking. Do one thing well. 65. Stay financially disciplined. 66. Celebrate small wins. 67. Keep your posture straight. Confidence begins there. 68. Smile often, it changes your energy. 69. Give time to your family and nature. 70. Be grateful you got another chance to live better. After 1 year of dedication, Mark didn't just lose 25 pounds, he gained his life back. People asked, "How did you do it?" He smiled and said, "One habit at a time." I stopped waiting for motivation and started respecting my body. Because health isn't about looking good, it's about feeling alive again. And remember, you only live once. But if you live healthy, once is enough.